All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to go through our two labs we did today in class. Hopefully, I can get it right this time. This is my second take. So here, I got a plastic cup. I got some water. I'm gonna pour it in here. Now, on Google Classroom, there's going to be a copy of the lab that we did today, so that the directions are all there, the questions that students need to answer are all there in case a student did not make it to school today, or they won't be here all week, or something like that. I just want the kids to be caught up. The purpose of this is just to see that sound, obviously, it vibrates back and forth in the form of a longitudinal wave to send its energy from one place to another. Now, of course, there are some other things that we may touch on a little bit later, but for this, we're just gonna hit the basics, all right? Now, today, I got myself a cup of water, I got my tuning fork. This is the first of the investigations. So I take the tuning fork, I'm gonna disturb it. Of course, the tuning fork is then gonna vibrate up here, or all through basically into the base. It's going to vibrate, which then sends energy to our ears, and then we pick it up in there. But here, I'm gonna put it into the water. As it gets into the water is then gonna shoot out because of the disturbance. Because right now the water is calm, except that I just knocked the glass over a little bit, but it is calm. It's not coming out of the thing. So the energy that comes from this tuning fork is going to be transferred to this water, shooting it out. Okay. One more time. Okay. And that's that. Now, secondarily, the second lab, it didn't really call for water, but it is a little bit easier to see the salt moving with the green under it. So that's why I put water and green food coloring in it. So today, I got my tuning fork, I got my plastic film, I got a rubber band holding my plastic film, even though it doesn't really need to. The plastic film needs to be pulled tightly if you want to do this at home. And I have the tuning fork, I'll hold it over the top, and the salt is going to then start shaking or vibrating on the top. Now, that's going to happen because the vibrations from this tuning fork are going to be sent to the saran wrap or the plastic wrap, which then makes my salt move. Really, the salt doesn't need to be there. It's just there for a visual, for the students to be able to see it. Now, here we go. I'm bringing it a little closer here. Hopefully, this will be close enough. As you can see, I got a little bit of it moving, but struck it a little harder. See, I'm not touching any of this, but I am making the salt move because the vibrations are then making the cement wrap move. All right, and that's that. Another Mr. Williams bite.